Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rima Kumari. So in the last session, we have learned about the document loader. And in today's session, we are going to learn about text splitting. Means once the data is loaded, right, into the uh, like PY PDF loader, then we are going to divide those PDF data into the chunks. Okay, and why we need these chunks, why we are creating chunks, I'll tell you what is the importance of that. So context limit, like a large language model, okay, can only read a limited amount of text at a time. Okay, so suppose your PDF file is are containing 10 pages, 100 pages or more than that, right? So in that case, if you are going to feed the whole PDF file to the large language model, means any AI provider model, right? So it will not give you the proper response. Okay, so that is why we are going to create chunks on the basis of whatever text we are providing, right, whatever document we are providing. And also, like when you are going to do a searching, means user is going to ask their question, that question we are going to search into that particular PDF file, right, whatever chunks we have generated. So if it will be divided into the small chunks, then it will improve the vector search accuracy and you will get a like more accurate result. Okay, and here there's a popular type of splitter are present in the LangChain. Okay, so the first one is a recursive character text splitter, and second was a character text splitter, and fourth is a structure based splitter, and fifth one is a token based splitter. Right? These are the four splitter are present in LangChain, but mostly we are using this one. Recursive character text splitter. Okay, and in that splitter, we are providing chunk size and chunks overlap. Okay, and what is the meaning of that? So see, if suppose this is a whole is my text, okay, in a document, if in a document this whole text are present, so I am just giving if I have to divide this uh, whole text, right, into the chunks. So suppose I want to create two chunks, one chunks this one and the another chunks this one, correct? So in that case, I need to just provide the size, means 100 in a one chunks 100 characters should contain 200 300 like that. And I have to also provide a chunk overlap. And what is the meaning of chunk overlap? Suppose if it is splitting into two chunks, right, like this one and the another chunk, so if I am providing chunk overlap is 20, so what will do when it is going to create a chunk 2, right? So during that time it will also uh, like keep some character from the previous chunk, like this way. And this common thing which is present in chunk 1 and chunk 2, that we are saying chunk overlapping. Okay, that we are saying chunk overlapping. Let me go into the documentation. Recursive, let me go here. Yeah, and I'll go to the recursive. Yes, you can see here, this is the code for using the recursive character text splitter. And basically we are using for splitting the text into the chunks. So you can copy this code as well and you can write down directly there. But before doing using this code, you have to install this one, LangChain text splitter. Just copy this code, go to your terminal and just install it. Okay, once it is done, then only you can write this code then only you can utilize this code. Okay, so let me go and write this code here. Okay, I'll go here and then, okay, and what I will write, first of all I need to import, right? First of all I need to import from, because I'm going to import from LangChain. I'll write down LangChain, and that is from text splitter, right? Splitter, import recursive character text splitter. I'm going to use this one. Then come downside and just write down recursive, hit enter, and then bracket open and close. Just click over here. Okay, just click over here and just see that. You will get that what you have to write inside, you will get directly from here. Okay, just let me go. Yeah, or else what you can do, you can come here and you can copy from here as well. copy this one, and you just remove this import because we have already imported. Okay, and I'm going to just copy this two, because I have to explain you, right? So that is why just let me remove it. Hit enter. Okay, so here also you need to just provide a separator because you are going to divide it, right? Just provide a separator, and separator should be like slash n slash n space. Okay, so if you'll get this separator, it will divide your chunks, and chunk size I'm giving as uh, 400, and chunk overlap I want 100, something like that. Okay, and then length function also I need to provide. Okay, that's all. So here I will store into some variable, just assign some variable like text splitter is equals to. And next step is, see, we have defined this one. Now what I have to do, the document which we have loaded into the LangChain, I need to like create a chunks, right? I have to pass over here, right? In recursive characters text splitter. And how I can do that? Just write here splitter dot split documents, and there you can pass your document. Okay, there you can pass your document. Yes, and you can store in some variable, like, because these are chunks, right? So by using this command split document, right, you are passing the text splitter, recursive character text splitter, there you are passing this document. It will create a chunks. Okay, and then it will also as I mentioned, what is the meaning of overlap? 100 overlap it will keep, right? So if you want to check like how many as you can see here, how many PDF file were loaded there, number of pages are 2, right? So if it is a number of pages are 2, let me just reduce this 100 and 30. Okay, let's see that how many chunks are created. So for that, you just write sc. Let me copy this line of code. Okay, let me copy this line of code because it will show you how many chunks, number of chunks created. It will show you the number of chunks created. Okay, and here you just pass chunks. Okay, that's all. And just come here, come back and just see that. Click on always rerun, and what it is saying, separators. Okay, invalid syntax. Okay, it is a whatever I have written there, that is invalid. Let me just go and check. Double. Okay, there's a one comma missing. Okay, now you can see error removed. So now you can see I have loaded a PDF file already, and there was a 2 pages and number of chunks created 43. Okay, number of chunks created 43. So in this session, we had covered till here text splitting, and in the next session, we are going to use embedding, where it will use your chunks which you have created. The number of chunks are here. Sorry, let me go back. Yes, number of chunks are 43, right? This chunks, all 43 chunks, it is going to convert into the embeddings. Okay, as I told you, embeddings are 0, 1 format. It is going to convert into the embedding, and then that embedding we are going to store into the vector store. Okay, so let's meet into the next session, and please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.